today's topic is going to be Halloween night. It's a night where maybe kids and maybe some adults dress up in costumes, whether it be a monster, a witch, a vampire, and we go out and usually, you know, go door to door asking for candy, trick or treat. Now, usually there's a lot of religions that don't celebrate Halloween because it goes against, maybe Halloween goes against their traditional values, whether it's about talking about the devil, the monsters, just devil-related things. So some religions don't celebrate Halloween, but some do. I love celebrating Halloween. It's because of the candy, and I love scary stuff. Ooh. So if you ever celebrate Halloween, do your best with the makeup, dress up, and go crazy, and go get some candy and have fun. Bye!